This is my 1976 Hutchins Com-Pac 16. I got it about a year ago. Pretty good condition, but I have made some modifications and upgrades myself. There was a crack in the keel down here, which I ground out, laid in fiberglass and epoxy, and then I went ahead and repainted the whole bottom paint a nice copper color, which is close to the original but not the same. I redid the keel guides, which were wood and rotted. I put on these PVC pipes, which get the job done. I wanted to be able to hang an anchor from the pulpit, so I installed these S-Biner clips from Home Depot with these pipe hangers here, and it holds it nice. Just bungees right there. Put on some new turnbuckles. I think the originals were still on it, and they were a little questionable. These are a little more robust. I'm gonna slide stop on the mast to keep the boat from falling down when the sail is off. And I also replaced the clip for the topping lift with this thing. I think it's called a cam cleat, also from Home Depot. Works really nicely because you can adjust it, make it higher or lower. Companionway hatch was totally rotted, so I got rid of that and redid it with this one, which I made. It's got a hinge on it so it can fold. There were also no cup holders, so I put in this little cup holder panel. I might attach a few other things there to hold some instruments, like a phone holder, things like that. I mostly sail this in small inland lakes, so I only have a trolling motor. And I was always trying to figure out where to run the lead, so I could, and I have a long extension that goes up to the battery, which is under the companionway hatch. I didn't like the lead being pinched by this hatch, so I put a gasket on it, like a window sealer gasket, and I left a little notch, and that's where the lead goes. I replaced all the main sheet blocks. They're not on there right now except for this one, the fiddle block, which keeps the main sheet from tangling as much and binding up. Let's see what else we got here. Anyway, she's a good little boat. Looking forward to sailing her more and fixing up a few more things. Talk to you later.